Hello Maths Gurus. Hope you all are doing great. Today's topic of learning is finding square root by division method. To understand this method, I'm going to show you the working out of two perfect square numbers. Now the question is, what is perfect square number? That I'm going to explain you after I'm done with working out. So first let's choose two numbers as 961, a 3-digit number, and 100489, a 6-digit number. The reason behind choosing a 3-digit and a 6-digit number is to showcase how to handle paired and unpaired digits. To start with, the first step is pairing up the digits starting from extreme right side and moving towards left side. In the number 961, digits 6 and 1 are paired up, but 9 is left alone. But all the digits are in pairs in the number 100489. Next, we have to choose a divisor which when multiplied with itself will give a number less than or equal to the first pair of digits on extreme left hand side, which is 9 here. Let's start guessing few numbers for divisor. First number we can take is 2 because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But it seems way smaller than 9. So we can try 3 as well. 3 times 3 gives us 9, which is exactly equal to our first dividend. So 3 is first divisor, and as 3 times 3 is 9, therefore 3 is first digit of our quotient as well. Writing 9 under first dividend 9 and then subtracting, just like normal division, we got it 0 remainder because 9 minus 9 is 0. Further, we need to bring next pair of digits down so that becomes our new dividend along with the previous remainder, which was 0 in this case. So that means 61 is our new dividend. Next step is to double the quotient to get a part of the new divisor, which is 6 in this case. And for units digit of the new divisor, we need to again guess and choose a number that when multiplied with new divisor gives us a number less than or equal to new dividend. For example, if we choose 1, then new divisor becomes 61, and 61 times 1 is 61, which is equal to the new dividend here. This allows us to put 1 as units digit in the new divisor and 1 in the quotient. 61 minus 61 is equal to 0, leaves us with 0 remainder. Let's have a look at the other example. Again we have to follow the same steps, that is getting a new divisor, multiplying it with itself to get a new number smaller than or equal to first dividend, that is 10 in this case, subtracting 9 from 10 to get 1 as remainder, bringing next pair of digits, that is 04 down to make new dividend 104, doubling the quotient to make a part of new divisor, and then choosing units digit of new divisor by various guesses and checks. The same process of subtraction and getting new remainder and then new dividend keeps on going until we bring all the pairs left in the original number down. In example 2 also, we got remainder 0 at the end. That's why we can say both these numbers, that is 961 and 100489, are perfect square numbers. Now to conclude, we can say that square root of 961 is 31 and square root of 100489 is 317. Hope this video is helpful to let you know how to calculate square root of a number by division method. But if you still have questions or queries, you can contact me at the details popping out on the screen. Thanks for watching this video.